Hi, my name is 𝐀𝐮𝐤𝐿 Washington. I'm a researcher at Duke. You're going to spend a day in my life. But first, I have to get the kids ready for school. So come on in. Typically, my mornings look like helping my kids get ready for school, making them breakfast and doing their hair. I also have 2 pets, a cat and a dog, and so I have to make sure they're fed before we can all get out of the house. I'm a microbiologist and a structure biologist, and I study fungi and how they cause diseases in humans. I've always been interested in science since I was a young girl. When I was in high school, my favorite bookstore was Crown Books. My aunt gave me a gift card. One of the days I was in there, I bought a book called Dancing Matrix. And it was all about how viruses spread, and this was kind of the beginning of my interest in infectious diseases. I met my husband in graduate school. He's also a scientist. We worked in the same lab, so over the years we got to know each other pretty well. I love that my littles love science. I think it is so fun. My oldest is interested in big cats. The little one is interested in bugs. And so it's just fun to share it all together as a family. Now that everyone's ready, we're going to drop off the kids and then head to lab. I came to Durham to attend grad school. I love Durham because I love that there's a slightly slower pace compared to larger cities. It's a great diverse population with different types of people, really good food, great schools. Yeah, I love it in Durham. Duke's campus is beautiful. The architecture, the open spaces. I am inspired by the history of research at Duke. My office was formerly the office of a Nobel Prize winner. And so I really hope that I can get that energy and inspiration just even being in that space. This is my office. It's a great place to think when I need to really kind of sometimes close the door and zone in. Usually when I get here on a typical day, I check my emails, check my calendar and see what's on the plan for today. And I'll head into the lab and get an experiment started and check on the experiments from yesterday and look at those results. Some days I have blocks of time that I've blocked out on my calendar so I can do focused writing. This includes writing papers or writing grants. Grant writing is a big part of academic research. It's how we get funding to do the research and answer these important questions for human health. Okay, so now that I've checked my emails, we're going to go head into lab and start an experiment. We are here in my lab. And this is where I do my experiments and have different types of equipment to get everything done. In our lab, one of our goals is to do basic research that will lead to the development of antifungal drugs in immunocompromised patients. So patients that are HIV infected, those that are on suppressive therapies for cancer treatments, transplant patients. All of these populations have suppressed immunity, and that makes them very susceptible to invasive fungal infections. These fungal infections are very deadly and dangerous. The reason why we're really interested in this topic and why it's super pertinent to these times is the Earth is getting warmer. And what this can lead to is selection of fungi that are in the environment and the ability for them to acquire traits that allow them to survive at higher temperatures that are similar to what we would find in our human body. We have some data that indicate these proteins called hexokinases are involved in the ability to cause diseases in humans. Today, we're going to run a gel to determine if the protein is functioning the way we hypothesize it is. If we understand that, then we can start to understand the structure of the hexokinases and develop them as potential antifungal drugs that can really be used in the clinics to treat people. Okay, I'm gonna go wash my hands real fast and then we'll go to lunch. So for lunch today, we're meeting my friend and colleague, Dr. 𝐃𝐮𝐤𝐤𝐿.
How are you?
May I please have a Horton's Club with no tomatoes? Back to the lab.
I just wanted to introduce you to my grad student, Chris, really quick.
You know, when I grew up, I thought of scientists as like introverts and kind of quiet, and there's all types of scientists and all types of behaviors, and I see a lot of camaraderie, a lot of gatherings, scientific and otherwise, and I think it really helps build community and keep people happy, and happy scientists are good scientists. Now we're wrapping up for the day, and I'm gonna go pick up the kids. One thing I do for myself, I try to make time to play soccer with friends. We're gonna do that tonight, and I'm really looking forward to it. That felt good! So for years now, I've played in the Durham Women's Soccer League. We're not in season right now, so today we're just kicking the ball around and catching up. Making sure we still have some skills. That was more fun. Okay, someone else do stuff. Soccer gives me the space and kind of sometimes forces me to take the space to do something for myself. Sometimes these games are so intense that I literally can't even think about anything else but what's happening on the field at the moment. Nice. Good job. We all have camaraderie. Hug. See you guys when the season starts. So we're back on campus after playing soccer. A lot of times I come back to the lab at night to finish some experiments. Thanks for spending the day with me. Yeah, I had a blast. I hope you did too. All right, good night.